No longer need the Wise app? Let's remove it from your device. First, find the Wise app on your home screen. Once you have found it, tap and hold on it. You'll see a menu pop up. Here you can see uninstall icon. Tap on it and confirm to uninstall. Or another method to uninstall the app is go to settings and tap on apps or apps management. Tap on manage apps and scroll until you find Wise app. Once you find it, tap on it. Here at the bottom you can see the uninstall icon. Tap on it and confirm the action, and your app will be uninstalled instantly. If you can't uninstall the app, restart your phone and try again. Why are you uninstalling Wise? Let us know in the comments below. And that's it. The Wise app is now removed. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.